Hi students, in Letterland today we are going to quick code. I'm going to review the rules we've learned. The first one is the soft C, where we have the letter C with a vowel after the E, I, or Y. And those combinations of letters make the S sound. Next is a soft G, where the G with the vowel E, I, or Y after it makes the J sound. And then I just want to quickly remind you of the magic E syllable, where you have the silent E at the end, and it's a vowel, consonant, vowel with the letter E, and that long vowel, Mr. I and Mr. O, or any of the other vowels, long vowel. So we're going to quick code together. So I'm going to show you how to do these, and then I want you to do them on your own and come back and check and make sure you did it right. So we're going to use our new rules today along with our older rules. So we always want to say the word first, age, age. So the first thing we do, remember, let's go get our tool. Okay. Move that up a little bit. So we dot our vowels, A and E. And then the next thing, circle prefixes and suffixes. We do not have any in the word age. Box constant digraphs, there are not any. Bracket syllables. So let's say the word again, age. That's one syllable. So we bracket that, go all the way to the end. And then we want to label syllable types. So I see that there's a silent E at the end, age, and there is a vowel, consonant, vowel, and this is Mr. A. So we, remember that's I'll make the pen smaller, the long A, and we go over to the A, mark our silent E out. And then we also need to code our G. So that makes the J sound, so we're gonna put a J on top of here. And then I forgot to do this. Well, we did it, but I forgot to label it. So the label is syllable types, and this is a magic E syllable. Okay. All right, that's all we do for that one. And so the next one is cage, cage. So the first thing, number one, dot vowels. Okay. Circle prefixes and suffixes. I don't see any here. Then we want to box constant digraphs. There are not any bracket syllables. Cage. So that's one syllable. And then I'm going to get my smaller pen. And we are going to label our syllable types with initial. So again, see how age is also in the word cage, which is, there's just a C in the front. So it's going to also have that magic E. Go over and that long A. So that makes this a magic E syllable. And this G here, since there is that E after it, okay, like we learned today, we worked on soft G's, and that makes the J sound. So put a J there. And that's all we do for this one. Let's do the next one together. face, face. So we dot our vowels, A and E. Then there are not any prefixes or suffixes here or digraphs, so we're gonna bracket syllables, face. Okay, that's one face. Okay. Then you're going to do number 5 is label syllable types. So face, Mr. A, that's a long A. So vowel, consonant with a silent E. So it's that magic E syllable. So put the E under it. And then we see that soft C. There's a C with the E after it. Face, and it kind of has that sound. So we put the S over. Okay, and that's what you do for, say the word again, face, face. The next one is place. So we dot our vowels, and then there are not any prefixes, suffixes, or constant digraphs. So next we bracket our syllable, place. So we go all the way across, that's one syllable. And then we need to see what syllable type. And this is also a magic E syllable, Mr. A. And then we have a consonant with a silent E at the end. So long A, silent E, place. So that's magic E syllable, put an E underneath. And then we have that soft C, because place kind of has that sound, and there's an E after the C. So we put an S over that. And that word is done coding. Okay, the last one we're going to do today is placing. Placing. So this is a little different from the other words. We're going to start by dotting our vowels. Okay, and then circle prefixes and suffixes. So we have that ing at the end. Okay, our suffix, so circle that. And there are not any consonant digraphs. The next thing we do is we do our bracket syllables, placing. So we hear there's a break right here before the ing. So we just break it right here. And then we already have this circled. And then we need to label our syllable types. Okay, so that was a silent E there, but remember how we dropped the E? So we're going to move that over to the long A. It's a magic E syllable. And then we have that soft C. So placing. So, and it has an I after it. Remember, E, I, or Y makes it a soft C. So we put that S. Very good. So I want you to try these on your own and then come back to check your answers, and we'll go over them again tomorrow too. So I'm going to go ahead and clear my screen so you guys can pause it if you need to. And then we're going to go to the next page. After we read these, or after we do the coding, go back through and remember your robot talk. So you say it really slow like a robot. Age, cage, face, place, placing. Good. So like I said before, please use these steps and try on your own. I will attach a sheet for you and Shobi to do on your own and submit in. And please go back to check your answers if you need any help. Thank you. I hope you have a great day.